Nagpa-plateau ka na ba talaga or hindi ka lang sure kung anong fitness phase ka na? Kasi aminin natin, ang daming taong very motivated every January, every Monday, every start na lang ulit bukas. Pero after a few weeks, nawawala agad yung gigil. You start strong and then suddenly, you feel lost. Walang direction, walang structure, at worst, nawawala na ng gana. Believe me, I've seen this 100 times. People doing random workouts, switching programs every 2 weeks, or chasing quick results na hindi din naman tumatagal. Alam mo, hindi mo problema yung motivation mo. Ang problema mo is yung strategy. Fitness isn't about just working hard. It's about knowing kung nasang fitness phase ka na ba and kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan ng katawan mo ngayon. Because if you skip the process will skip your results. Kaya in this video, I'll break down the 4 fitness phases of fitness transformation. I'll show you how every phases works para hindi ka na laging paulit-ulit sa simula, para magkaroon ka ng roadmap and so you can finally see a long-term sustainable progress. So yung phase 1 natin is yung foundation phase. Ito yung ating building phase. Dito tayo nagbibuild ng strength and ng habits. This is where every transformation starts. Kasi dito mo inaayos yung fundamentals. Dito mo inaayos yung sa tingin mo makakasagabal sa'yo sa mga susunod na phase. Dito yung ayusin mo yung mga magiging problema mo. So it's like troubleshooting. Dito mo ayusin kung correct or proper form ba. Dito mo ayusin yung mobility mo. Dito ka mag-start ng basic strength. And most importantly, dito ka na mag-build ng consistent habits. Think of it as a paghukay ng malalim na pundasyon. Bago ka magpatayo ng bahay or mataas na building, mas malalim, mas maganda. So kung maayos yung foundation phase mo sa fitness journey mo, mas mapapadali mo yung pagkuha mo ng fitness goals mo. Kasi pag naayos mo na lahat dito sa phase 1, the next phases will be easier compare sa in-skip mo yung phase 1. So this phase will teach you discipline. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng perfect start. Kasi ang kailangan mo is solid and right one. Trust me, kung hindi ka pa consistent sa phase 1, huwag ka muna magmadali sa next phase. So yung next phase natin is yung phase 2. This is the building phase. Dito ka na magpapasok ng progressive overload. So dito yung phase na maramdaman mo talaga yung progress, mas sumirap yung sets, mas nagiging conscious ka na sa mga kinakain mo, mas sumasakit yung katawan mo. But here's the catch. Growth doesn't happen by accident. Kaya kailangan mo ng structure. Progressive overload, proper recovery. Kaya iiwasan natin mag-overtrain. I don't highly suggest na mag-araw-araw ka mag-workout na in-overtrain mo yung sarili mo sa gym. And proper nutrition. Kaya kailangan mong ma-monitor yung calories mo, yung macros mo, which is protein, fat, and carbs. Hindi mo kailangang magmadali sa phase na to. Kasi ito yung time para maging intentional ka. Every rep, every set, every meal counts. Ayan yung mga kailangan na pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin sa phase na to. Hindi mo pa magagawa na consistent yung phase 2, once again, huwag kang magmadali na lumipat sa next phase. Ito yung tandaan mo. You're not just lifting weights, you are lifting your standards. Phase 3 is yung definition phase or yung cutting phase. Actually, yung iba, ginugol nila na mag-lose ng fat without losing muscle. Now, this is where we refine. Dito mo i-reveal yung pinaghirapan mo sa growth phase. But warning, this is also where most people lose focus or patience. Definition requires control, both in the gym and in the kitchen. Once again, uulitin ko, kailangan mo ng control sa gym at sa kitchen or yung meals mo. Yung iba, iisipin na punishment to. Isipin mo, dito ka magbabawas ng carbs percentage mo ng up to 30%. Tsaka kailangan mataas yung protein intake mo. Kasi magbabawas ka ng carbs. Kailangan mo pa rin makonsume yung kailangan mong calories. Ang pinaka-iiwasan mo is yung sobrang babang calorie intake para mag-underperform ka sa gym. For me, it's not punishment. It's more about precision. Honestly, dito mo ma-realize na ang fitness, it's not just about physical. It's mental and spiritual. So yung phase 4 natin is yung maintenance phase. It is staying fit long term. Ito yung most underrated phase, pero ito yung isa sa mga pinakatunay na measurement ng fitness. Why? Kasi anyone can get fit, but the real question is, can you stay fit? Karamihan sa atin, including me, pag nakuha na yung fitness goal, tinatamad na. Or worst, titigil na mag-workout, mag-exercise, mag-ayos ng meals. Pero ito yung question na nakatulong sa akin pag tinatamad ako magtuloy. Am I doing this for looks? Or am I doing this for my health, for my family, for my future kids to learn from me paano ko ginawa na mag-stay fit? Kasi isa yun sa pinakamahirap sa journey, yung maintain. Dito sa phase na to, matututunan mo kung paano i-sustain kahit sobrang busy nung lifestyle mo ngayon. Kahit stressed or nagbabago-bago yung schedule mo. Dito rin pumapasok yung faith aspect. Hindi mo mini-maintain maging healthy just because wala kang contentment. You maintain because your health is a gift and your health is your responsibility. You're not chasing transformation anymore. You are living it. So kung gusto mo ng long-term results, stop skipping phases. Each one teaches you something your next version of yourself will need. Foundation builds you discipline, growth builds you strength, definition builds you control, and most importantly, maintenance builds your wisdom. Lahat ng phase may purpose. And when you honor the process, the result will honor you back. I remember one of my clients na sobrang eager niya mag-build ng muscle kaagad. Pero nung pinabalik ko siya sa foundation phase for just 3 weeks, mas bumilis yung progress niya. Because minsan, the fastest way forward is to go back to the basics. Now, she's strong, lean, and consistent. Not because she worked harder, but because she finally respected the phase. So, tanong ko sa'yo, nasaan ka na ngayon? Foundation, growth, definition, or maintenance? Comment mo naman sa baba para makita ko kung nasang phase ka na. And if this video helped you, I'd appreciate if you share this to someone or somebody you know na makakatulong sa kanya tong video na to. And kung hindi mo matatapos yung buong fitness phases program ko, it's fine. It's okay. Kung gusto mo agad makakita ng changes sa katawan mo, kung gusto mo makakita ng transformation without studying this entire system, I will help you do that. Kung naghahanap ka ng fitness coach online, I'm here to help you. I will design your program. Dito ako pag may mga katanungan ka. And I'm here para i-correct yung current lifestyle na meron ka. So once again, kung naghahanap ka ng online coach na makakatulong na mag-transform ka from day 1 to day 90, I will be here. Or comment mo sa baba, I am ready. So kung nandyan ka para matuto, panoodin mo yung next video kasi isa to sa makakatulong sa'yo. Remember, you're not stuck, you're just in the wrong phase.